Hello everyone, it's Mike Grady. This is video number 1 in my 5-day mini-series, how to create a video to get it highly ranked in Google. So first thing we want to do is create a video. This is a website that I currently have on flowers for Valentine's Day in Orlando, Florida, my city of choice to live in. And what I'm going to use is use the PowerPoint program to create the slides that I'll use in the video. So first things first, these are the products that I want to promote. So what I'm going to do is I'll highlight the name of the product, right click on the image, open up a folder that I have available for this particular video, put in the name of the image and save it. So if we go to that folder, we can see that I've now saved that image in this folder. Let's go back to the website again, highlight the second image, Control C, and then we will save that image in here as well. And we just repeat the process till we get a couple of images that we can use in the video. And we'll just go one more. We'll use 4 images. You don't need to get real complex with these videos. Matter of fact, the smaller you keep them, the better off they are. So now you can see we have 4 different images available to us. So again, like I said, I'm going to use PowerPoint as a presentation. So the next thing I'll do is I will take the background. I like using black because black makes the images and the text stand out. Go back over to my folder, right click, copy the image, go back to PowerPoint and paste the image into my slide. Again, I'll go back over here, grab another image, put that over here. Now I've got 2 images. Offset them a little bit just to please the eye. Make one a little bit bigger than the other. And now what I'll do is I'll go back over here, grab my headline, put the headline at the top of my page. Change the font color to yellow because it stands off very nicely. Gonna go ahead and center this. Now one of the things I've found is that you need to have the font size pretty big because keep in mind that the video is going to be fairly small when you upload it to the internet. So here we are, Valentine's flowers and favorites. Just a little beginning message. You might want to get a little bit creative and overlap them. Maybe open that up and put a border around the outside to make it stand out a little bit. Actually, why don't we make that black? Okay, so it's not real difficult to make a slide. So we come over here and we can actually add another slide. Again, real basic. We'll grab some more images, copy, paste, and we will copy and paste. And throw in a little more text. Put in a text box. Again, center that. Increase the size. Maybe put this on a second line. Okay, so now we've got the basics. Move that up a little bit, make it a little bit bigger so it looks like a headline. Move these images down a little bit. Go even a little bit bigger. I'm going to bold that. Let me go back here. One of the things I found is bolding gives the letters a little more color to work with. And again, it's just trial and error. You can't really screw these up. And then lastly, what you want to do, put in your last slide, of course, to put in the domain name that we are going to be promoting. So we grab the domain name, text box, throw that domain name in there, center it, make it yellow, make it big. Will it all fit at that font size? No. So what I can do is make it just a little bit smaller. A little bit smaller, see, because I want it to fit on one line on the page. Lower it a little bit. So now basically what I do is I have 3 slides. Okay? So one of the features of PowerPoint is you can actually go up and save it. And when you save it, you can save it as a presentation, which I will do. Create video. So I can go back and edit these slides if I want to add to it or change some images. But here's the key. You can actually go up to Save As. Now I've already saved it as a presentation, but now what I want to do is I want to save each one of these slides as a JPEG file. So we will select the pages as JPEG images, call them the video slides, and save it. Now what PowerPoint will do is ask me if I want to save every slide or just the current slide. So I'll say save every slide as an image. It's done that, and it has put it on my desktop as video slides. This is the presentation if I want to go back in and edit it later. So we open up File. Each one of those pages we just created is now an image that can be used by a video program to create a movie. So what we will now do is create the movie, and we'll go to the next video where I'll show you how to create the movie.